Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add the files in Wrike. So let's start. There are actually a few ways how we can do it, and this depends if you want to add a file to your project or if you want to add file to your task. So if you want to add a file to your project, you just need to click plus here and click files here. And you would find all the shared files here. The second way would be if you are going to be on board and table, and I'm going to click on a task that I have. I can simply attach file here from my computer of my profile picture, right? So this is the first way what you can do. The second way is to write it also in a comment and share it here. And this is pretty much it how you do it, guys. So thank you very much. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.